check this out. I got some new toys.
He's got crazy ideas all the time.
Instead of doing it the way every club's been built for I don't know how many years, we're doing it totally backwards.
God. Why would you do it? Because your name's Matt Balaban, I guess. Perfect. See you in 20. So we're just kind of shining up the ferrule a little bit here. And then we're going to throw a grip on it, and then we're going to see if Matt can hit it.
Do you need a grip? Oh, you are a professional.
Oh, no. These grips are terrible.
Look at the air bubble in here.
I see that. What do you want me to do?
Did you just wreck all of this work?
No, it's
by
not
putting a grip on it?
I did not.
I did not.
Remember in the last video when I said things are starting to gel a little bit? I am more frustrated today than I've been in 6 months.
This is your fault.
No, it's not. Let's be honest, I put on maybe 15,000 grips, and it's happened twice, and sure enough, it happens when Matt's watching over my shoulder. Yeah, it's not going on, man. I'm telling you.
Is there something in it?
No. And then he gives me a hard time, and I told him, I was like, stop it, I'm gonna leave.
Mark's getting upset. George is getting upset!
I'm gonna wash my hands.
Mark's about to wash his hands clean of me.
It's one of those things where I get it, and did I f up the grip? I f***ed up the grip.
Okay, logo down. Now watch this, Mark. Watch how it goes on. You know, my favorite part is how much that pissed Mark off that it went on so smoothly. A huge success. I'm Bally. Come on now. Nailed it.
That hot dog better be made out of gold. I'm not doing this for $1.50.
Hello, everybody.
Hey guys, see you
This is Mark.
started without me. So.
Your camera's on.
Okay, my camera's on.
Your mic is on.
I'm an idiot. You're an idiot.
Love it.
Serious business. I'm
Day
happy to see you.
I'm back. I made it back.
I'm glad you're here.
A lot of good long night and thinking about all the stress that you've given me, but.
So, I'm excited to smack the first one.
I know, I see you've done something already.
Well, I was just trying to help, be proactive. They're all labeled, and I have taken the liberty of making this the 147 club.
I see that, but we don't even know the first one goes 133. We don't even know if we've nailed the first one. You've already skipped to step number 2. So you've created even more headaches for us, I see.
So let's, I guess it's test time.
Yeah, we gotta get to see if that first one goes 133.
Test time.
Test it out.
All right.
Go. This is the moment of truth.
Yeah,
I mean,
so I'm excited.
I'm not.
Make sure this thing's calibrated accurately because I'm a finely tuned machine.
Yeah, that's exactly it. There's a lot of things that go into it and a lot of things that have to go right. And I mean, the pitching wedge is the easy one. And if it doesn't go that distance or he can't hit it solidly and we can't modify it to make it work, then I'm out.
So it's got to go between 130 and 136 for you to stick around.
Okay, and I'll give you another one. Average. I mean, out of what, 5 or 6? You miss one, fine, we'll take it out. But that's kind of the average.
What about a hosel rocket?
That if it goes 133, then I guess it's
133 yard hosel rocket.
Yeah. I mean,
okay. A little bit of pressure's on because Mark is like, he's kind of drawing a line in the sand, but it's got to go somewhat close to the number. So number 1, I got to hit the club face, which I mean it's a pitching wedge. I should be able to.
Pull this to kind of warm up here.
Okay. Here we go.
Pressure's on, guys.
Maiden voyage, the 133.
All right, let's see it.
Please work. Please
Win the US Open.
For the love of God, please work. I just hope it doesn't go like 120 yards because he's going to lose it. Believe in yourself. Please work.
Good. Pull it a little bit, but not bad.
Yeah.
So maybe just flatten it out a little bit. I think your strike location might be just a little towards the heel.
Yeah, I think we need.
There you go.
So the good news is, here's the thing.
Crazy.
We're not completely out of the realm. It's actually going too far.
Yeah, which is
and I'm turning it over, which means
we can flatten it and we can add a little bit of loft.
Which is a typical thing that we need to do for most of us.
Yeah, so this isn't like
that
out of the realm. So I'm not quitting yet. That looks like 133.
I thinned it a bit. I bet you'd spun.
Yeah, okay.
But again, okay, I mishit it 131 and a half, so 132.
Okay, we're close. I mean, so we're gonna run to the back here.
We're close.
I'm gonna make an adjustment.
All right.
So we knew that pitching wedge was going a little bit too far and it was turning over a little bit. So in my mind as a fitter, generally the idea is that, hey, we could flatten it out a little bit, push the strike location towards the center, and then add a little bit of loft. So I mean, he wasn't over spinning that pitching wedge, which is good. There was a couple in the 9,000 range, which is kind of what we want to see. So I think for Matt, it is good for him to spin it. When he doesn't spin it, he misses low, and then it just comes in hot, and it doesn't stop. So if he has a little bit more spin, then he'll be okay. So I'm just basically gonna add a little bit of loft here. It was at 46, by the way, so we're gonna go to 47 and a half. And we're gonna go to 62 lie angle. These are really soft, which is nice.
So I would say it's always better if it goes too far. Because adding loft does a lot of things, especially in my case to help me. Adding loft adds bounce, which makes the club glide through the turf a little bit better, and I generally like to be steep. So if I can add loft, it means the ball's gonna launch higher, likely spin a bit more, which can be regulated with the different golf ball.
All right, let's see if you can hit it a little shorter.
Okay. A little flatter? Feels
yeah, a
like
little
home.
flatter, so
Okay, that feels better.
it's like 63 and a half, now it's 62, and
Okay.
it is 47.5 degrees. It was 46.
Oh, okay, so that makes it...
Makes sense
Yeah,
when
and I
you're
normally
far.
play 47.
Yeah, and
and
you're not
these have a little bit more meat on them than what I'm used to playing, which
Yeah,
should give me a bit more...
Yeah, and remember
hit.
too, is like swing weight isn't quite as heavy as it should be yet.
So when we
because
add
the whole
some
set.
weight, that should increase ball speed?
A little bit, but
Yeah.
also for a lot of people too, I think for guys that pull it, it helps you not pull it. It
Okay.
helps you keep that club a little further behind you and give you a better awareness of where the face is. So
All right.
let's test her out.
Let's give her...
Nice, definitely.
Yeah, I mean, it hit the middle of the screen, so that's a good start.
That's always a good sign. That was lovely. And you also-
132.6.
I'll take that.
You are a professional, sir.
Yeah, right. We got lucky.
You are good.
No, that was really good. So I mean,
No, but I mean, look at the strike. It brought it
strike
right to the
was-
center of the club face.
Yeah, exactly.
And it carried the number.
yeah, that was nice.
And now nobody thinks I'm a complete goddamn idiot.
Which you're welcome.
This is a victory.
Yes.
I'm super pumped that it carried the number, and I like the fact that this gives us a good starting point. We can build from this, build everything else off of it. The biggest thing is if we change one, we have to change them all. But we're really close to like having it almost like perfect. So now it's just like, let's move on and repeat the process over and over and hope I can hit the center of the club face.
Now that you've succeeded with one, Marc's in or out for the other ones?
Oh, he's in. He's in. I mean, he's part of this project. He's 100%. He's in.
I'm in.